Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you a review of the gel polish that I received from Amazon, and this one is from Lofuanna. I hope I pronounce it right. So basically you're getting 6 gel polishes, and this one is £13 and 88, but I will share 10% off code if you want to buy this, so you can get 10% off. So they come in 6 and they are basically black color, and they're 10 ml gel polish bottle. So the shade and the color is shown at the top. This one is shade number 031, and they are basically glitter gel polish shade. This one is kind of chunky glitters, and I would suggest to use this one as for topper, or if you want to if you want to just use the glitters, you can go for makeup sponge. So just apply it from the makeup sponge, and then you can get a beautiful gray and glitter nail art. So I'm just applying one coat, and obviously, as you know, glitter gel polish doesn't give you full coverage in one coat, so this one basically not gonna give you because it's transparent. So obviously I'm gonna go for 2 coats. The bottle have a cat logo, which is the logo of Lofuanna, and obviously they are black, and I think they are glass bottles, so it's gonna be really cool using this because I really love the sound of the glass when the bottles touches each other. So basically this one is shade number 032, and it's a bluish color, but it got fine glitters instead of the chunky one, and it's give you kind of jelly coverage. So basically if you want to go for jelly coverage and don't want to have full coverage, you can just go for one coat, but as you know, I love full coverage, so I'm gonna go for 2 coats. And these are gel polishes, so obviously you need a UV or LED lamp to cure them, and 60 seconds are more than enough. I only cure them 60 seconds, and they are pretty good. So you need to cure them 60 seconds, or even 30, I think gonna work. So next shade 033, and it's basically a royal pink color, and this one is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. It got like silver glitters, like when you turn the nail you're gonna see the glitters, and I think this one is the one that got the most glitters. And I really love the fact because this is gonna be perfect for like weddings or cocktail parties or night parties, because it's just gonna highlight your nail, and when you're gonna move them under the light, people gonna actually see the glitters. I'm gonna show you right now but while moving the nail, that it's this one is really full of glitters, so you can see that the glitters are really shining. So next shade is 034. It's kind of greeny shade, and it got different shade of green glitter. So you get light green, dark green, and there is almost yellowish green color. Again, this one doesn't give you full coverage, just one coat, because I think it's supposed to be used as a topper. And just apply a green nail polish underneath, and then apply this one on the top, and then you're gonna get a beautiful glittery look. Again, if you want to, you can use it with a makeup sponge to give that gradient look, and I would recommend to use with a gray makeup sponge, because it's gonna give you gradient look, so that gonna look better. So next shade is 035. This is basically a gold color, and it's so pigmented. This one is my favorite one from all these. I love this one because it firstly it give you double shade, like you can see that it's look like golden, but it's all giving you kind of rose gold shade, by of the light where you were saying it, and all the stuff. And this one is my favorite one, because I love the shades that changes the color in base of the light or in base of your hand movement. And obviously this one gonna be my favorite, and it gave you pretty good coverage in just one coat. And just look at it, it's beautiful. So the next shade is this one, is shade number 036, and it's a purple shade. And one thing is that they got the shade number and the color on the top, so if you're storing them in a drawer or in a box, it's gonna be easier for you to access them, because you actually see the color on the top of it, so you don't need to open the whole set to just look for the color you want. And again, it's a glitter gel polish. It got different size of glitters, and it does not give you full coverage, just one coat as glitter gel polish, so you have to go definitely for 2 coats. Another thing is that it does not smell of chemical. I mean, all 6 gel polish does not smell of chemical. I hate those that smell of chemical, because they kind of give you headache, and you can't use them for long term. So this is the final look. This is shade number 031, and it's basically the glitter one. So apply 2 coats. This is shade number 032, and you see after 2 coats it give you full coverage. And this is shade number 033. Even this one is my favorite one, and love the glitter that they used inside. So next shade number 034, the greenish one, and you can see 2 coats are still not enough, so I recommend you to go for 3 coats if you want to just use this one on your nail and give you full coverage. Next shade is 035, is the golden one, and 2 coats are more than enough to give you full coverage. You have definitely go to for 2 coats. So next shade is 036, it's a purplish one, and this is how does it look like. So this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I will see you very soon. Bye.